All right, we now move on to speaking part 2. Describe a competition you would like to take part in. Would like is future
Future.
tense, okay? Please start.
When I was child, I had participated in many competitions like sports and speech. But here I would like to talk about a competition that I would love to take part in. That is a cooking competition. Um, I'm a fond of making new dishes in my daily routine because I belong to a foodie family. So they love to try new dishes on their daily basis, and I think this skill is inherited by my mother. So in my hometown there is an organization that conducted a um, uh, competition every year. So I would love to appear in this competition, and love to make new dishes like dishes, pasta, lasagna, and baking as well. And because I can make these dishes very delicious, and this competition compelling me because they gives provide certificates and motivation to go higher and achieve their goals.
All right, grammatical mistakes are there, like the use of subject and verb. They gives such type of things, and then there are some mistakes related to preposition.
Okay.
But overall, you spoke for 1 minute 16 seconds. One more thing: try to speak energetically. At the moment, you're speaking very passively. Try to speak actively, energetically. Use your intonation. Intonation is the use of voice according to the message. For example, if you're trying to scare someone, say "ooh" like that. So this is intonation. If you are happy, your voice is altogether different. If you're sad, your voice is different. So intonation is important, right?
Okay.
Now we move on to speaking part 3. What type of competitions are held in your city?
Well, there are a lot of competitions held in my city, like sports competitions. There are a lot of clubs that conducted many competitions for kids to take part in and achieve their athletic skills. And there are also many singing competitions held in schools in my city.
All right, that's good. At the end, try to conclude your answer and practice with all these topics. You'll be fine. And speak actively. थोड़ी
Okay.
आवाज निकालनी, okay? Thank you.